Okay, here's another one. You're getting a twofer today. Yesterday I went up to Harbor Freight up in Hopkinsville, and I actually, for the first time, remembered to get these wheels. They had them on sale on the Inside Track Club. I think they were $5.99 a piece. You had a limit of 4. 4 is what I needed. And I put these on my old welding table here, and I'm going to show you this table. This thing is old. It has drawers on the other side. It weighs close to 100 pounds. And that's what the little dollies look like. They're rated for 200 pounds a piece. So I got them on all 4 corners. And for this particular application, I'm going to try to show you. This thing rolls like it's on glass. Very pleased with these. Look at that. I mean, this is amazing. You had to literally pick this thing up and, move it around. Now it just rolls around. So I just thought I would share that. Those were another very inexpensive item. Just give you a little close-up look on them. 3 wheels on them. You can use them on furniture or on a table like I'm using. Pretty soon, be winter here any moment now. I need to bring my wood totes in. They'll be filling up this area. I need to be able to move this table around. So that's what I bought. There's your item number. And again, I bought these with my own money. Not a paid video, sponsored video. They were just finally remembered to get them, and they were on sale on the Inside Track Club. So $5.99 a piece, that was a good purchase. I feel it was. So I just thought I would share that. They're not made for heavy weight, but boy, for a table or a workbench or something, that's pretty amazing. So that's it. Just sharing that because they work really well. All right, that's it. I'm going.